Today I'm going to explain about the how to install the Git into your local machine. First you go to the git.scm.com and download. After then, if you are using Mac OS, click on Mac OS. If you are using Windows OS, click on Windows OS. Once click on Windows OS, it will be downloaded automatically. Once Git is downloaded, you go to Git and after that you click on right click, give yes. Here only show new option, you can click on use the bundled open assets or use optional. Click on anything you can select. And it is going to install. If you want to release, you can click on. Otherwise, if you want to launch Git Bash, you can click on finish. Once it is installation completed, go to any particular folder, like Git workspace. Any folder you can create like Git workspace. Click on right click here. Click on right click. Or else, so here you can find out the Git URL, Git Bash here. Once you click on Git UI here, then it will show you like a create new repository, clone existing repository. If you want to click clone an existing repository, and you need to copy paste that clone. If you want to use command prompt, you can use Git Bash here. Click on Git Bash here. This is the Git Bash here. If you have any Git any project URL you want to clone, you can use the Git clone here. Now for this URL repository URL you need to copy paste here and click on enter. That entire project will be cloned into your particular folder. This is about how to install the Git. In next session we will go for the how to clone the project from Bitbucket. Thanks everyone. This is all about Git installation.